Hey guys, it's Nelly here at Broadmoor RV, and today I have a 2022 IBEX 19MBH. So coming in at 4,500 pounds dry weight, you're gonna have your power jack in the front. You have your window, it's a 60-inch panoramic window, tinted, frameless. Not a lot of RVs are gonna have that, this particular one does. Out here you have your front awning with the LED lighting all the way across. And as you see, right here in the front, Asdel is what they use as opposed to the Luan. The all-terrain tires are 15-inch aluminum tires as well. That's good just in case you get into muddy situations where you have your tire sliding side to side or something like that. The all-terrains will help out a whole bunch with that. The door here is access to the bunk beds. They can hold 300 pounds, each one of them. Also, you can use this as storage. Come on inside, guys. All right, so in this 19MBH, you're gonna have your Murphy bed. That is a 60 by 80 queen bed. And the way we get that out is we simply fold this couch out, unlatch, and we let it down. Here's the mattress. Voila. You have lighted cabinets on both sides for your shirts and clothes like that. You have USB and power outlets next to the bed. You have a TV that you can fold any direction you want. It is a 12-volt TV, so you can use that with your batteries. Again, storage is key. So in this IBEX, we don't cut corners. We have storage on both sides. What you're gonna get with this one here is a single tub J-hook sink with a 2-burner stove. Convection oven as well. So you're gonna get the convection oven. It's gonna be down here. That is a convection oven. With all IBEX, you're gonna get a vacuum. Kids are gonna track in all their dirt. Of course, you get your broom, and down here, you pop this up and it'll automatically turn on and suck all the dirt out. Now, coming over to the dinette, another sleeping area or an eating area with, once again, storage. This IBEX has a Norco refrigerator with a freezer, gas and electric. Right, in the IBEX, you have a solar panel, which is located here in the bathroom. You also have a Max Air fan. If you have never used a Max Air fan, they're tremendous. You can have a vanity and you have storage under the sink as well. All right, guys, there you have it. The 2022 IBEX 19MBH. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us or just come on down. At Broadmoor RV, we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're #1 at Broadmoor RV. We make camping fun.